So today in this video lecture we are going to learn a Pascal triangle as we discussed in previous video, right? We have a binomial theorem a plus b whole raised to n is nc0 a raised to n b raised to 0 plus nc1 a raised to n minus 1 b raised to 1 plus nc2 a raised to n minus 2 b square and up to so on, right? So suppose you want to expansion of a plus b whole raised to 5. Then applying binomial theorem, n is 5 here. So what we get? 5c0 a raised to 5 b raised to 0, right? Plus now वन पावर इसका रिड्यूस करना है और ये r जो है वो 1 इंक्रीज करना है, तो क्या होगा? 5c1 a raised to 4 5 minus 1 n minus 1 4 b का पावर इंक्रीज करना है 1 प्लस इसका कम करना है, इसका इंक्रीज करना है, इसका लेस इसका इंक्रीज करना है, तो क्या होगा? 5c2. दिस इज इन कंसेक्यूटिव टर्म, राइट? 1 2 3 4 लाइक n, राइट? सो 5c2 a क्यूब b स्क्वायर प्लस 5c3 a raised to 2 b क्यूब प्लस 5c4 a raised to 1 b raised to 4 and plus 5c5 a raised to 0 b raised to 5. I substitute value that you know, so this is the expansion for this, right? Now this is 5c0. 5c0 is 1 that you know, so answer of this is a raised to 5 plus 5c1 is 5 a raised to 4 b plus 5c2 5 into 4 20 divided by 2 that is 10. You learn in this everything in combination. So this is 5 into 4. You have to write consecutive terms up to 2. So 5 1 less 4 2 upon 2 into 1 a cube b square plus 5c3. 5c3 is 5c2 because you have formula NCR is equal to NC n minus r, राइट? सो अप्लाइंग दैट फॉर्मूला क्या करना है आपको? ये दोनों का सब्ट्रैक्शन करना है. यदि r is smaller than this one, original one, then you have to accept that. So 5 minus 3 is 2. NCR is n, subtraction n minus r. So ये सब्ट्रैक्शन करेंगे ये फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करने के लिए, राइट? इफ वी want to apply this formula, then subtraction of this 5c3 5 minus 3 2 is less than this, so this is 5c2, right? So 5c2 is this 5 into 4 upon 2 into 1, so I am writing 5c2 here, right? You learn in combination this is, right? Now 5c4 subtraction 5c1 5 minus 4 is 1, so this is 5c1 5 minus 4 is 1, so 5c1 and 5c1 is 5 that you know, so this is 5 a b raised to 4 plus ncn is n 1, so a raised to 0 is 1 b raised to 5, right? So what we get here? We get a raised to 5 plus 5 times a raised to 4b plus this is 10 times a cube b square, right? Plus 10 times a square b cube plus 5 times a b raised to 4 plus b raised to 5. This is your answer, right? Now I hope you know this everything. 5c2 एक कम करना है और दो कंसेक्यूटिव फैक्टर लिखना है, तो 5 से एक कम करेंगे तो क्या होगा? 1 less 4, so 5 into 4 20 divided by 2 that is 10, right? So you have to solve this type of combinations question orally. No need to write these all steps. If you want to write these all type of steps, right, ये सब स्टेप लिखेंगे तो आपका टाइम कंज्यूम करेगा, टाइम वेस्ट होगा. सो कॉम्बिनेशन का प्रैक्टिस आपने किया है, ये फॉर्मूला बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर्मूला है. क्या करना है? ये दोनों का सब्ट्रैक्शन कीजिए. r जो है वो लेस आया, 5c4 था, सब्ट्रैक्शन किया था 1 आया, तो इसकी जगह 5c1 ही होता है अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस फॉर्मूला. एंड 5c1 is 5 that you know, and c1 is n, right? ये आपको पता है, कॉम्बिनेशन में आपने ऐसे सॉल्व किया था. नाउ एज आई टोल्ड यू इन प्रीवियस वीडियो दैट पास्कल ट्रायंगल. सो व्हाट इज पास्कल ट्रायंगल? दिस इज and Pascal triangle is very useful, but for small numbers of power, right? Because if there is a more larger number 10 15, then you are going to waste the time in writing this, but for small numbers how it can be useful that I am going to show. आपको मैं वही दिखा रहा हूँ, right? So this is 1 लिखना है आपको, ये 1 1, right? इसके बाद यहाँ पे 1 लिखना है, इसका सम आया 2, वो लिख दो, यहाँ पे 1, ये 1 आया, इसका सम 3 आया, इसका सम 3 आया और 1 लिख दो, राइट? इसके बाद 1, ये सम 4, इसका सम 6, इसका सम 4 और ये 1, राइट? अगेन 1, सम 5, सम 10, सम 10, 5 and 1, right? So this is nothing but your NC0, NC1 coefficient, right? For this is 2, this is 2C0, right? So this can be written as this is 2C0s, this is same, right? This is 2C1 and this is 2C2. So this is for second row, this is for third row, that is power is n equal to 3, right? This is, if we write here, this is for n is equal to 1, right? This is for n is equal to 1 and this line for power is n equal to 2, right? In expansion of a plus b whole raised to n, these are the coefficients, right? This is for n equal to power 3, right? This is for n equal to power 4 and this is for n equal to 5. Now see, compare the coefficient. First one है, right? So if you don't want to waste time to writing 5C1, then but if power is 10, then you have to make a Pascal triangle using जो मैंने दिखाया वो यूज करके आपको बनाना है और उसके बाद कोफिशिएंट लिखना है. So इससे बेटर तो ये फॉर्मूला रहेगी, ये फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करो सिंपली और सिंप्लीफाई द क्वेश्चंस, राइट? So see 1, so 1 coefficient 5. So 5, so this is nothing but similarly, if this is for n equal to 5, so this is 5C0, right? This is 5C1, right? This is 5C2, this is 5C3, and this is 5C4, and this is 5C5. This is 5C5, right? So these are all are the coefficient of binomial expansions. But I suggest you for expansing or simplification of binomial theorems, any numericals, use this formula. This is very convenient. ये आपको बहुत ही आसान आंसर मिल जाएगा, राइट? तो ये इतना देखने के बाद अब हम एग्जांपल सॉल्व करते हैं जो बाइनोमियल थ्योरम्स का है. इसमें हम मेथड वाइज जाएंगे. टेक्स्ट बुक में एक एग्जांपल एक मेथड का, दूसरी मेथड थर्ड मेथड का है. इसके बाद एक्सरसाइज में भी कंटिन्यूअस एग्जांपल में एक मेथड का है, दूसरी का है, उसके बाद पहली मेथड का आएगा. तो हम ऐसे नहीं जाएंगे, जो एक्सपांशन करना है वो एक टाइप का एग्जांपल हम पहले फिनिश करेंगे, उसके बाद दूसरा जाएंगे. सो प्लीज आपको ये थोड़ा एडजस्ट कर लेना पड़ेगा. तो एक एक मेथड देख के जाएंगे और वही फॉर्मूला हम अप्लाई करेंगे. तो क्या रहेगा कि आपको प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगी और आपको सब आसान तरीके से समझ में आ जाएगा, राइट? सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, पेज 166. एक्सपांड 1 minus twice x raised to 5. We have one formula 1 minus x whole raised to n is equal to nc0 minus nc1x plus nc2 x squared minus nc3 x cube plus dash dash dash. This is the standard formula as you know, right? आपने लिखा है, लिस्ट बनाया, इसमें आपको सब फॉर्मूला का लिस्ट बना लेना है. तो इसमें ये फॉर्मूला हमने लिखी है. सो दिस इज द फॉर्मूला, राइट? नाउ इन दिस फॉर्मूला वी हैव twice x instead of x, that you have to remember. So what is the expansion? So expansion of 1 minus twice x raised to 5 is equal to n. N is 5, right? So here n is equal to 5 and x is equal to twice x. You have to substitute in this formula, right? So what we get? 5c0 minus, and you know while there is a minus between two terms a and b, then you have to write 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus term, right? So second term will be minus 5c1. Now x means we have twice x, so twice x. Now increase this 1 power 1 consecutive numbers and power 1 also, right? So next term will be plus 5c2 and twice x whole square, right? Then minus 5c3 twice x cube, right? 1 plus 1 minus, plus minus plus minus. Now term will be plus, so 5c4 twice x raised to 4, and last term will be minus 5c5 twice x raised to 5, right? And now if you want to write next term, then you will get 5c6. That is not possible. So up to NCN you have to proceed for the expansion. Got it? Now you learn in permutation and combination, NC0 is always 1 as well as NCN, right? So you learn this formula, NC0 is equal to NCN is always 1. And second formula, that is most important formula, NCR is equal to NC n minus R. I am going to use this formula frequently for simplification, right? तो मैंने बोला था, क्या बोला था, जब आपके पास ये है 5c3 तो ये फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करनी है, तो 5c3 is equal to 5n minus r, that is 5 minus 3 is 2. सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है आपको नंबर्स, यदि ये r जो है 3 इससे भी कम नंबर आए तो ये क्या आया, 5 minus 3 2 आया, तो आपको वो एक्सेप्ट कर लेना है. Here 5c4 is 5c subtract करो 1, right? So you have to take 5c1 here and 5c5 is 1, that you know. So what we get here, this is 5c0 is 1, right? This is the formula which we are going to apply in this question. Got it? So 5c1 5, that you know, NC0 NC1, right? And 5 NC1 is always n, so 5c1 is 5 into twice x plus 5c2, you know, 5 into 4, 2 consecutive factors, 5 into 4 divided by, starting with r is 2, so 2 into 1, so 5 into 4 20 divided by 2, right? 5 into 4 divided by 2 into 1, 2x whole square, that is 4x square, minus 5c3 is nothing but 5c2 and this is 8x cube, and plus 5c4 is 5c1 and this is 16x raised to 4, and minus 5c5 is 1 and this is 32x raised to 5. Got it? पता चला ना? हाँ, क्या किया, जो ये फॉर्मूला है इसके लिए ये फॉर्मूला, इसके लिए ये फॉर्मूला अप्लाई की, सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है बोथ नंबर्स. इफ यू गेट अ स्मॉलर नंबर देन दिस, then you have to take that one because of n minus r, right? Okay, fine. Now this type of simplification you have to do it while there is a nc2, right? N is any number, while there is a r is 2, you can write directly 5 into 4. Suppose 10c2, what is the answer of 10c2? So answer of 10c2 will be 10 into 9 divided by 2 into 1. 10 into 9 divided by 2 into 1, that is 45. So you have to do this type of calculation orally. आपको ये orally ही करना है और time saving करना है, क्योंकि देखो इसके लिए ये और इसके लिए मुझे और इसके लिए एक और स्टेप लिखना पड़ेगा, और एक दो और तीन टर्म है, 3 टर्म्स आर देयर, इसके लिए मुझे पूरा ये एक्सपेंशन लिखना पड़ेगा. सो इसमें मेरा टाइम वेस्ट होता है, राइट? तो आपको ये कैलकुलेशन ऐसा ओरली करना है. सपोज इट इज गिवन 8c2, देन व्हाट इज द आंसर? 8 into 7 divided by 2, that is your answer, right? Okay, fine. So this is 1 minus 10x plus this is 2, 5 into 4, 20 divided by 2 is 10, 10 into 4, that is 40. So this is 40x square minus again 5c2 is 10 into 8, so 80. So this is 80x cube plus 5c1 is 5 and this is 16, right? So 16 into 5 is 80 x raised to 4 minus 32 x raised to 5, right? So this is your final answer. So nothing to do, you have to apply only formula. In formula this, right, you have to apply 1 minus x formula. In that formula, this is your formula, and n is 5 and x is twice x. So substitute twice x instead of x, and n instead of n you have to substitute 5. You will get, after simplification you will get your answer, right? Next question is question number 3, page 166. Expand twice x minus 3 whole raised to 6. So this is the formula for a minus b whole raised to n. This is a, this is b, there is no 1. So you can't be apply 1 minus x formula, right? So we have to apply a minus b whole raised to n formula, right? So minus is there, means 1 plus term, 1 minus term, plus minus you have to take. So first term is nc 0, a raised to n. I am not writing b raised to 0, that is 1, that's why, right? Minus, due to this minus, nc 1 power less, and increase of b, plus nc 2, a raised to n minus 2 b square, minus nc 3 a raised to n minus 3 b cube, and plus dash. I am not writing more step, right? So in this formula, what is a? A is twice x and b is equal to 3, also n is equal to 6. So substituting this everything in our formula, this is our standard formula, right? A minus b whole raised to n, that is a standard formula, right? So substituting we get, so twice x minus 3 whole raised to 6 is equal to, n is 6, so substituting 6, what we get? 6c 0, a is twice x raised to 6, right, minus 6c 1 twice x raised to 5, b raised to 1, b is 3, so 3 raised to 1, plus 6c 2 twice x raised to 1 power less 4, increase of power, so 3 square, then minus plus minus, next term will be 6c 3 twice x raised to 3 and 3 cube, plus 6c 4 twice x square 3 raised to 4, next term is plus, then minus 6c 5 twice x 3 raised to 5, and last term will be plus 6c 6, so 6c 6 twice x raised to 0 is 1, so I am not writing, 3 raised to 6, 3 raised to 6. These are the steps, right? Now we have to simplify this, and now this is the all procedure of combinations, right? Combination, simplification, you know, so no need to explain, right? आपको ये सब पता है कैसे simplify करना है. तो answer will be 6c0 is 1, so 2 raised to 6, 2 raised to 6, that is 64, so this is 64 times x raised to 6 minus 61 is 6, 2x raised to 5, that is 32 x raised to 5, so this is 32 x raised to 5 into 3, 3 raised to 1 is 3, 62, as I said, as I discussed, 6 into 5, 30 divided by 2, that is 15, right? 2x raised to 4, that is 16x raised to 4, and 3 square is 9, minus 63. 63 is, if we apply formula NCR is equal to NC, n minus r, then 63 is again 63, so we have to write 3 consecutive terms, so 6, 5, 4, right? And starting from 3, 3, 2, 1, 2x cube, that is 8x cube, right? And 3 raised to 3 is 27. Now 64 is applying this formula, 62, and 62, that is 30 divided by 2, that is 15, 2 into 2, 4, x square, and 3 raised to 4 is 81, is 81. Now 65. 65 is 61. So minus 6 into 2 into x. And 3 raised to 5 is 81 into 3. 243. So this is 243 plus 66 is 1 and 3 raised to 6 is 7 to 9 is 7 to 9. That you know, right? Now I am leaving this simplification, means multiply this and this, you will get your answer, right? So I am leaving this step for you. Write down yourself, okay? And tell me क्या आंसर आया, बताइए आपका आंसर क्या आया वो. So I got this answer 64x raised to 6 minus 576 x raised to 5 plus 2160 x raised to 4 minus 4320 x cube plus 4860 x square minus 2916 x plus 729. आपका आएगा आंसर. किसका किसका आया? Yes, fine. Okay. So do practice. इसके लिए practice ही necessary है because only one formula, either minus either plus. If plus, then all terms are plus. If minus, 1 plus, 1 minus, 1 plus, 1 minus, otherwise same formula. So do practice for this formula and therefore मैं आपको ये 5 एग्जाम्पल जो है 5 एग्जाम्पल्स होमवर्क में दे रहा हूं. सो डू इट योरसेल्फ, डू इट योरसेल्फ फॉर प्रैक्टिस, राइट? सो नाउ यू आर एबल टू, आप कोई भी पावर दे वो पावर का एक्सपांशन कर सकते हैं, राइट? हाँ, अप टू 10 15 वॉट एवर इट मे बी, राइट? मगर आपको वो भी पता है जो पावर होगा उससे एक पावर ज्यादा होगा. तो ये 5 एग्जाम्पल्स है, यू हैव टू सॉल्व इट योरसेल्फ. Okay, so now this type of question, but now this is only a and b. Now in fractional is given, then what to do? Then this is a very easy, right? And for that I require some space, so wait. Next question, example 2, that is question 2, page 166. We have to expand this. So again same formula, a minus b whole raised to n, right? So formula is a minus b whole raised to n is equal to NC0 a raised to n. Now there is a minus, so one term plus one term minus, right? So NC1 a raised to n minus 1b plus NC2 a raised to n minus 2b square minus NC3 a raised to n minus 3b cube plus dash dash dash. This is the formula. But here what is A? A is 2 by x, B is x by 2 and n is equal to 5. So substituting these all values of A, B and n in this formula, we get, this is our formula. So what we get here? We get 2 upon x minus x upon 2 whole raised to 5 is equal to NC0. N is 5, so this is 5C0. A is 2 by x raised to n is 5, so we will get 2 by x raised to 5. Second term always minus, as there is a minus, so this is 5C1. 2 by x raised to 4 and b is x by 2, right? So this is x by 2. Next term is plus, as this is minus, so 5c2, so 5c2 2 by x whole cube and x by 2 whole square. Next term will be minus, so minus 5c3 2 by x whole raised to 2 and x by 2 whole raised to 3 plus 5c4 2 by x x by 2 whole raised to 4 and last term will be minus 5c5, no need to write 0 and this is x by 2 raised to 5. पता चला? Now only require simplification. दैट मीन्स नथिंग टू डू। इस टाइप के एग्जाम्पल में एक्सपांडिंग में कुछ भी नहीं करना है, सिर्फ लेबर वर्क करना है, आपको मजदूरी करनी है मजदूर की तरफ, right? Because you know formula, then now you have to simplify, right? So answer will be 5c0 is 1, 2 raised to 5 is 32 whole upon x raised to 5, so 32 upon x raised to 5 minus 5c1 is 5, this is 16 upon x raised to 4, right? And this is x by 2 plus 5c2, two consecutive terms, that is 5 into 4, 20 divided by 2, that is 10, 2 cube is 8 upon x cube, and this is x square upon 4 minus 5c3 again 5c2, and 5c2 is 10, this is 4 upon x square, and this is x cube upon 8, 2 cube is 8 plus 5c4 is 1, 5c1, that is 5, right? 2 by x, and this is x raised to 4 divided by 16, and minus 5c5 is 1, x raised to 5 divided by 32, x raised to 5 divided by 32, right? So simplifying this, what we get? 32 upon x raised to 5 minus 1x will be cut, right? And this is 8 into 5, 40 upon x cube, 40 upon x cube. Here 8 into 4, 2. So this is 2 into 10, so 20, right? X square will be cut, so 20 by x minus, this is 2 and 5. So what we get? 5x plus 8, 5 by 8, that is 5x cube upon 8, so 5x cube upon 8, right? And minus, we write all step, nothing to forget, na? 1 2 3 4 5, and last term, that is x raised to 5 divided by 32. So be accurate, right? आपको स्टेप काउंट भी कर लेना, कोई सॉरी कोई स्किप तो नहीं हो गया ना, राइट? सो दिस इज योर आंसर, राइट? आप भी चेक कर लीजिए आपका आंसर ये आया कि नहीं आया, हाँ? और इसका जैसा ही आपके पास क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 है, वो आप एक्सपांशन कर दीजिए, मैं आपको लिख के देता हूँ. So these are the 3 questions. Question number 4, question number 5, and one illustration, that is example number 1, that you have to practice. दिख रहा हो? Remember one thing. This is a very easy chapter, but it needs some practice. That's why today in this video I gave you almost I think at least 10 examples, approximately 10 examples for your practice. So do it yourself, right? वो आपको प्रैक्टिस करना है, तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में जो कुछ आएगा वो आपको समझ में आएगा, राइट? सो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम जो है वो नंबर्स का एक्सपांशन करेंगे, राइट? 99 raised to 5, 98 raised to 5, 32 raised to 6, like that, but not using calculator, using binomial theorem, right? So नेक्स्ट वीडियो में भी आपको ऐसी मजदूरी ही करनी है, right? But वो फिगर आएगा 10 raised to 5, 10 raised to 6, 10 raised to 7, like that. So you have to write put proper numbers of 0, right? वो भी प्रैक्टिस, उसके लिए भी आपको प्रैक्टिस करनी होगी. So you have to, आपको करना ही पड़ेगा, राइट? तो आपको प्रैक्टिस करना है, इसके लिए मैं ऐसा ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन दे रहा हूँ, राइट? यदि नहीं होगा टेक्स्ट बुक में तो ऐसा सिमिलर क्वेश्चन में एक्स्ट्रा भी आपको दूंगा, जैसा मैंने ट्रिग्नोमेट्री में दिया था. तो हर एक वीडियो में आपको प्रैक्टिस का एग्जांपल्स मिलेगा 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 ही. तो आपको ये जो वीडियो है, सब वीडियो, वो हर दिन पूरा ही करना है और उसका जो रिवीजन का एग्जांपल्स दिया है वो सॉल्व करना है. यदि आपको कोई दिक्कत आए, कोई प्रॉब्लम आए, कोई क्वेरी है, तो आप मुझे कांटेक्ट डायरेक्टली कर सकते हो. ओके, सो डू इट योरसेल्फ, राइट? डू इट योरसेल्फ. This is a homework. Okay, so do practice at home and get more marks, right?